Hello and welcome guys. Today we're going to continue videos from the series from fitting the accessories into this beautiful machine. So finally, after more than 2 weeks waiting, I've got the Triumph accessories. So today we're going to concentrate to fitting the genuine Triumph accessories. So what I've got the front fork sliders, fork protectors from Triumph. So maybe first we're gonna try to fit this one. So we take off this label. I don't know what it is. That's the label says that you have to refer to fitting instructions. So you have to go to the international Triumph website, download the instruction, because there is no instruction inside the box. According to Triumph instruction, okay. So one side you unscrew, the other side is already tight, so don't move, don't try to unscrew this side. This side with that bigger lip, bigger gap, goes from the right hand side of the motorbike. So you take out this one, 2 pieces, slide through from the right hand side, make sure everything just line up. You go from the other side, attach that metal bracket, plastic one, and then just from inside and tied up with 10 Newton meters. That's it, 10. All right, so there we have front sliders, fork sliders on. Lovely jubbly, nice. Okay. What we have over here is the bobbins, rear bobbins. Okay, so according to Triumph manual, both bobbins are the same. Doesn't matter which you're gonna put, they're exactly the same. So it doesn't matter right, left side, are exactly the same. And again, according to Triumph manual, it's 24 Newton meters. I'm gonna put some on the thread Loctite, the blue one. You have to be careful with this. You don't want to over tight, because the swing arm is made from aluminium, and if you over thread, you're in trouble. It's not that easy to repair that after all. So we're gonna put some blue Loctite over the thread. Okay, that's pretty much enough. And just don't over thread, make gently, has to go inside without any force. Okay, and 24 Newton meters. Okay, that's it, 24. And we're gonna repeat exactly the same procedure from the other side. A little bit Loctite. Don't force it, has to go gently inside the hole. Go with the hand and then just tied up 24 Newton meters. 24. That's it. Done and dusted. Because I got this bike cheap enough, so I decided to put nice stuff into this bike and just I concentrate the protection. I know somebody can say, Jesus, you overprotect, but you don't plan. You never know what can happen. Of course, this protection doesn't matter what kind of protection you're going to put. If you crash with high speed or head on, nothing is going to protect you. This protection, like, you know, frame sliders, rear front forks protections. That's only if you're gonna drop it bike down, or just like, you know, maybe with slow speed if you go sideways. But otherwise, any high-speed crash, I don't think this is gonna last. So what we have over here, we have a Triumph side cases, engine cases, okay? I think so. That's the one over here. The clutch one over here. It's only 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 bolts as well. And from the other side, there's as well 3 bolts. All the kit comes with the bolts. I assume that this bolt is just longer than standard one. And as well, there's no instruction, so you have to download this instruction from the Triumph website. So we have to just segregate bolts by the length. And unfortunately, I have to have a look into manual because I'm not sure exactly. It looks the same except the one, which is smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts, which is right because 3 bolts on each side. So we have to remove. This is a crankshaft cover. 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. It's socket number 8. Just lose it, and we can remove it now. So yeah, the supply bolts from Triumph a little bit longer, which is right because now we have to put through the case. So align the case. And 3 longer bolts. Okay, just line up first. And 3 bolts to same length, so 30 millimeters long. And according to manual, we have to tie it up with 9 Newton-meters torque. Okay, gently force one, go around, don't just tie it up only the one. So this is 9 now. Now is the clutch basket. So it's this, this and this. Okay, so this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so align, make sure that, and that's supposed to go gently inside. Second bolt to same length, 30 mil. And the small one, 20 mil, goes inside. There is 9. There is 9. And there is 9. So all 9 Newton-meters. So what we have left is this basket, which goes on the other side. 1, 2, and the bottom one. Okay. This and the bottom one. Straight to the same 40mm bolts, and just gonna line up first. Also 9 Nm torque. Bottom one. That's it. So now we have all the engine covers protected. It's a plastic one, hard plastic. So that's it. There we go, slowly, step by step. We personalize this bike very nicely. So step by step, day by day, this bike starts looking very nice. It's not that before didn't look nice, but this bike now looks just so complete. It's always been complete. This is probably one of the many bikes we came out from factory floor. It's very complete bike. It needs very little to put it more that you need. It has, like, you know, from factory, from the floor, has barrel mirrors, has a nice brakes, steel braided brake lines. It's just, like, you know, it's very nice, very complete. It's not, I'm not tell you that because I bought this bike. It's just, like, you know, one of the few bikes. You buy a different brand and you start spending money, like, you know, belly pan, barrel mirrors, changing brakes because then they're not strong enough, changing, like, you know, the brake lines. It's just, like, you know, adds your very money. Even the levers are very nice, and they're, like, you know, both fully adjustable. So it's just, like, you know, really Triumph put, like, you know, so much, like, you know, attention to details, to fitting, to the crafting of the parts. Is just unreal. Make this bike so complete, so nice. I like it. So far I really like this bike. Right, so I'm gonna leave you with this. This is gonna be finished for today. We have still a few bits and pieces left to fit. I'm not going to tell you what, but you will see very soon. So far, I'm very happy. All right, see you soon. Thank you. Bye.